Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dragon beer candy. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients and equipment. We'll cover everything from sugar and corn syrup to your chosen beer and flavoring. Then, I'll walk you through the cooking process, ensuring you achieve the perfect consistency. Finally, we'll discuss shaping and cooling your candies for a delightful, homemade treat. Get ready to impress your friends with this unique confection. To begin, measure out 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of light corn syrup into your saucepan. Next, carefully add 1/2 cup of your preferred beer. A stout or ale works wonderfully for a rich flavor. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring, like vanilla or a fruit extract. Ensure your candy thermometer is ready and have a silicone mat or parchment paper prepared for cooling. This setup is crucial for success. Place your saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This hard crack stage is vital for the candy's texture. Carefully pour the hot candy onto your prepared silicone mat. Once it's cool enough to handle but still pliable, begin shaping it quickly into your desired forms. Once shaped, let your dragon beer candies cool completely at room temperature. This can take about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on their size. Once firm, store them in an airtight container to maintain their crispness and prevent stickiness. They make fantastic gifts or a unique treat for yourself. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.